Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW E46, this is the 3 Series guys from year 1998 to year 2006, and you're trying to find your oil pressure switch, also known as oil pressure sensor, stay with us guys and we'll show you where it's located, what needs to be done to replace it and how to get to it. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, let us know if it was helpful. So let's start on it now. So before we guys start the replacement, okay, let me go ahead and explain you guys, okay, what we'll be doing here. I'll use that computer so we can check the oil pressure and see if it's working, okay, on this BMW. So I will turn guys the ignition on without the engine running. Check this thing out, engine not running, and we're going to connect the scanner now. This works on any car, not just BMW. Let me just show you how many makes it supports. It's an amazing computer. It will be listed in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. So if you want to get one yourself, check it out. You can access almost, I think, every module in your vehicle, read and delete codes from it, everything. And this BMW has quite a few of those. So we're going to use the automatic function. It detects the vehicle on its own. It's going to decode the VIN number. It may take just a little bit of time to do all that magic on its own, but we don't have to manually select it, and manual selection sometimes requires for it to know which engine you have, which transmission, so it can work correctly, but the automatic selection, it's pretty good. So it's communicating now. Okay, BMW European right here, and we're going to click guys. Okay, you go ahead and give us the VIN number here. We need to confirm that this is the correct one. Now it will decode it, give us all the information for this BMW. We confirm that this is the correct one. It's loading the data now, and you can even check your battery voltage. Ours is at 12 volts now. Okay, you can see 1207. It says turn the ignition off, wait 10 seconds and turn it back on. So I'll go ahead and do that now quick. Perfect. And we'll click OK. Now we'll click Diagnostics, Control Unit, and here we need to select now guys Drive, Engine, DME, Motor Electronics, and okay, let's see now where we're going to find all that stuff. We need to see live data. Okay, live data, and we can see the motor operating values right here. Okay, so let's see what we have now. Engine coolant temperature at radiator outlet, mass airflow, engine speed, engine oil temperature. Okay, 81 Celsius. Okay, 81 Celsius. Let's see if we have. Okay, engine oil pressure here, ambient pressure, intake manifold, voltage, engine speed, engine oil temperature. So I so far don't even see the oil pressure switch guys. So on this one I will not be even able to access, I think, let me see here, oxygen sensors, because we have so many different computers. It could be somewhere else too. This is the different idle, smooth running values right here. Okay, you can see if you have misfires on every cylinders and all that stuff. You can check the timing of the valves as well. Okay, brake lamp, engine idling, partial load. You can check your AC compressor, quite a few things guys, but there is no option actually to check. Okay, you can see there is no option to check the oil pressure switch. Not at all. Okay, you can just check the different computer numbers, physical numbers and all that stuff, but there is no oil pressure that you can check on the BMW. Okay, so I'm really surprised that it doesn't give us that option at all. You can see all the different things that we have, the injection duration, vehicle speed, so many things guys, but not oil pressure. here. So what I'll do now, guys, okay, I'm going to turn the engine off and I'm going to show you where you can find that thing and how to get to it. Sometimes, guys, on some BMWs I noticed that you can find your oil pressure sensor information under instrument cluster, so I'll try to find it later, and if I do I'll share it in the description of the video below so you can find the video. But what we did right here on that E46 now, I had to remove, okay, we had to remove that air filter box. The whole filter box has only 2 bolts, okay, that you remove. They're right here. We disconnected the mass airflow sensor. He has 2 clips, one on this side, one on the other one. And then looking towards here, guys, okay, let me show you. Towards the back now. Right here, okay, you can see this is your temperature, oil temperature sensor. However, behind that hose, okay, let me see if I can just pull that hose down a little bit. Okay, that thing back there, this is your oil temperature sensor. Okay, and you can just reach it. Okay, it's reachable. Careful not for the engine not to be hot, okay, because if it's hot you can burn yourself. Always use gloves, guys. If you replace it, wait for the oil to cool, because oil will leak out, that's for sure, and you can burn yourself severely. So you have an idea where it's located. There is one wire for it, okay, and the wire is a single wire. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it quick to show it to you. Okay, this is the wire connector. You push down and you disconnect it, and this is just the oil pressure switch sensor, guys, right there. If you want to see the replacement one, it's listed in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.